The fate of former Dallas police officer Amber Guyger now rests in the hands of the jury.
Guyger is charged with killing her neighbor Botham Jean in his own apartment.
This is crazy. It was unreasonable. She should have known she was in the apartment, in the wrong apartment.
Guyger's lawyer argued the shooting was a result of a series of horrible mistakes.
And the state has failed to prove anything. The state has failed to do their duty.
Thanks for joining us, everyone, at 4 o'clock. I'm Ken Molestina.
And I'm Gilma Avalos. Testimony came to an abrupt end with the defense resting its case and both sides making their closing arguments. CBS 11's J.D. Miles joins us live from the Dallas County Courthouse where the wait for a verdict is on. J.D.?
Gilma, if you don't take into account the break the jury took for lunch, they've been out for just over 3 hours now. The murder defendant, Amber Guyger, is waiting in a private office with her attorneys adjacent to the courtroom. The family of Botham Jean is behind me in this hallway outside the courthouse, also waiting. The biggest surprise today is the judge added manslaughter as another possible option for the jury, in addition to murder or not guilty.
Because this case is all about what is reasonable and what is absurd. That she is reasonable. She's an ordinary and prudent person who made a mistake.
Whether Amber Guyger acted reasonably was the focus of closing arguments this morning. There were the missed warning signs. She was heading into the wrong apartment when she shot and killed Botham Jean.
There was no other floor mat like this in the entire building. This thing sticks out literally like a red thumb.
Why would she look at the red floor mat and say, you know what? I don't like this red floor mat. I'm going to go in and kill whoever's in here. Obviously, she didn't notice the red floor mat.
The focus then turned to her decision to shoot the unarmed man, who she mistakenly thought was an intruder inside her apartment. But evidence showed he was sitting on his couch, watching TV and eating ice cream.
She could have retreated, and you can use that against her.
All she's thinking in her mind is ignore my gun. He must have something. He's coming to harm me, and she has to make that split-second decision. And this time it ended in tragedy.
Since this jury is sequestered, the judge will allow them to deliberate as late as they want to. If Guyger is convicted of murder, she faces from 5 to 99 years in prison. If convicted of manslaughter, a second-degree felony, that's 2 to 20 years. Of course, we'll be here and bring you the verdict as soon as we hear it. But right now, the jury's gone on 3+ hours now with no decision. Live in Dallas, J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.
We all sit and wait, J.D. Thank you very much. As Botham Jean's family awaits the verdict, their civil attorneys are now reacting to today's closing statements. Our Steve Pickett picks up that side of the coverage. He is live for us also inside the Crowley Courthouse with what all they had to say earlier. Steve?
Those voices representing that family, as you know, Ken, Allison and Bertram Jean, the other family members, they have been attending these proceedings since this trial began more than a week ago now. They listened to prosecutors and defense attorneys try to convince this jury murder or a non-criminal mistake by former officer Amber Guyger. The Jean's attorneys, speaking immediately after jurors started deliberating, say they believe this jury has evidence and proof that the shooting of Jean by the former officer was murder, and they actually commended prosecutors today.
They put on a case rooted in the facts and rooted in justice, and we believe that this jury will come to the only just outcome, which is guilty.
Yeah, we do want Amber Guyger to be held responsible for her acts, but based on her testimony alone, the fact that she said that she intended to kill both of them, we think it should be nothing less than murder.
The primary voices for Amber Guyger are her attorneys. They are under a gag order, so you won't hear any responses from them. We do know that there are family members for Ms. Guyger here in this courthouse today, inside that courtroom, but no statements from them. Reporting live, Steve Pickett, CBS 11 News.